Hansa Chipper Model C7 Basic Service Guide. When the chipper is stopped for servicing or inspection, make sure the spark plug wire is disconnected from the spark plug and the cutting disc has come to a stop. Tensioning belts. The belt tension can be adjusted with the two M16 adjustment nuts below the engagement handle. Set this stop so there's approximately one turn of the handle when the tension is felt. Beware not to over or under tension the drive belts, as this will reduce the belt life. Be sure the belts are fitted correctly. They should be running on the outside of the idler wheel and on the inside of the guide pin. Greasing bearings. Grease bearings every 20 working hours, being careful not to over-grease. 1 or 2 pumps is sufficient. There are 2 bearings, one on the inside and the other on the outside of the housing. Grease the engagement system grease points as required. Setting blades after sharpening. When the blades are blunt, the machine will lose its self-feeding action. To sharpen the blades, remove the 3 M8 countersunk blade bolts. Clean the mounting surface in the rotor blade pocket and the blades. The blade should be sharpened to 40 degrees by a professional saw doctor. Place the sharpened blade into the rotor blade pocket. Insert, tighten and torque blade clamping bolts to 35 Newton meters. Check the anvil is set to the blade with the correct clearance. The anvil should be approximately 1 millimeter away from the blade on the center of the cutting disc and 3 millimeters away from the blade on the outside of the cutting disc. If the anvil requires adjustment, remove the inlet chute to access the anvil clamping bolts. Loosen and adjust as required. Due to the nature of the machine being exposed to high vibration, a general nut and bolt check is advisable on a regular basis.